How to use the Anker SoundCore 2 Bluetooth speaker. So first you can press and hold the power button to turn it on. You'll get this white light to indicate it's turned on, and this blue light here, once it stops flashing, indicates that it is connected to a Bluetooth device when it's steady like that. And I'm connected to the mobile phone here. Now you have a few different buttons on the top. Obviously the power is for using the power on or off. While you're playing music, you can adjust the volume by pressing the volume up or down buttons. You can pause by pressing the pause button, to play a song by quickly pressing the play button, and you can skip a song by double pressing it. Even though there's not a lot of buttons, that is what they do. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and hopefully now you know how to use the Anker SoundCore 2 Bluetooth speaker.